Welcome to Epic Eats, a how-to edition for the Amaretto Sour Morgenthaler edition. We're using Disaronno Amaretto, some Jack Daniels, simple syrup or sugar syrup, half a lemon, the egg white from a single egg, and we've also got some glazed cherries for the garnish. Now, first things first, we're going to squeeze the half lemon into our cocktail shaker. We're aiming for about a shot's worth of lemon juice in this, so get as much of it out as you can. Half a lemon should be about right, but if you want to, you can check. After that, we're going to move on to the alcohol. So, first things first, Amaretto is the main ingredient, it's the main note of the drink, so we want a nice double shot measure of Amaretto. Double shot. That's right. Once you've got that out of the way, you're going to add the next component of the alcohol, which is meant to balance it out. We've used Jack Daniels. The recipe actually recommends a cask strength bourbon, and we don't have any in at the moment, so we've reverted to the industry standard. You only want about a 3/4 measure of this, so you should be able to get that to the line just beneath the lip in your shaker and throw that in. Next, we want a dash, just a little dash of sugar syrup or simple syrup. You can use your own brown sugar based simple syrup to add a little bit of a depth to the note, but we've used simple syrup mown in this case. Put that aside. Now we want to use half or the egg white from a single egg, but I don't really want to make so much mess, so here's some pre-measured stuff. Throw that in. Now we're going to dry shake our ingredients. There's no ice in this so far, so give this a long hard shake for about 15 seconds. You're trying to build up the texture of the drink, which is what gives it that like heavy, thick texture to it once you've finished it all off. So we need to really agitate the mixture so far in the shaker. Crack the two apart, and perfect. Right, now we need some ice. Yeah, thank you. Now we don't need to shake very long for this, we're just trying to get the ingredients cold, so give it a quick hard shake. Do feel free to like, subscribe to this video if you find it interesting, give us a follow. Also, you can click on that bell so you get notified when we have new recipes out or new videos. Now, once you've shaken and got your ingredients nice and cold, split your shaker again. And this is where the final piece all comes together. I'm using a hawthorn strainer. You can use a fine strainer if you want. Maybe you've got some lemon seeds in your cocktail shaker, and this will get rid of it all. Pour it out into your glass of choice. Make sure you get all that lovely frothy texture out of your shaker. It's given to us by that egg white. Now, this drink definitely needs a nice strong garnish, and what could be better than some lovely glazed cherries to go on top. Perfect. Yeah, I think I'll take that with me. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.